Nationwide, we've heard of scandals involving the VA, including patients actually dying in waiting rooms before they could get in to see a doctor. But that doctor may not even be as qualified as they should be, despite what is being advertised. This website lists the doctors practicing at the Fargo VA hospital, and you can clearly see on the website a column listing which ones are board certified. I checked into national and state databases to find out if these people are who they're advertised to be. My first stop was with the American Board of Medical Specialties, which houses a nationwide master list of doctors that are board certified. Most of the Fargo VA folks checked out, but for the ones who didn't, I kept digging. I checked with the North Dakota Board of Medicine, asking who and who isn't licensed to practice medicine. That further narrowed my list. Then I began checking into extremely specific genres of medicine: the American Board of Prosthodontics, the National Commission on Certification of Physician's Assistants, and the American Board of Podiatric Medicine. 6 doctors keeping our veterans healthy and advertised as being board certified did not show up in any place I looked.
So I think it's harmful to patients when people say they're something that they're not.
Dr. Sherry Orser is the North Dakota delegate to the American Medical Association and a practicing OB/GYN in Bismarck. She says all this does is erode that trust between a doctor and their patients.
And the most important thing between a doctor and patient is trust.
So what is board certification, and what does it mean to you if you see that next to your doctor's name?
What it means is you went through a residency program and you took a test or series of tests depending on your specialty that showed that you were an expert in that specialty.
It means your doctor went above and beyond, spending extra time and money to make sure they are up to date with best practices and the latest advances in their field.
And then there's the American Board of Physician Specialists, and then I think there's a couple others that are out there. Okay. So the ABMS is one, but they might be board certified in something else.
Dr. Breton Weintraub, Chief of Staff at the Fargo VA, says he's confident that his people are who they say they are, despite my investigation. But that's part of the problem here. There are so many medical boards that somebody can be certified with, it's nearly impossible to find out if it's true. Even Dr. Weintraub, a board-certified doctor himself, admits it's incredibly difficult information for the average patient to find out.
So which board certified them? And some, we can't distinguish between them as a facility. There are different boards, there's different specialties, there's different requirements.
Another problem, the VA's website listing the doctors practicing and their credentials is only updated periodically, and it changed since I began my investigation, with some doctors removed. Bradford Eric, Valley News Live.